Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to do 4 simple exercises for those who have not done any workout since long. I strongly urge you to start working out at home because in that way you will save a lot of time, lot of money, you will be regular and it is equally if not worth it. So let's get started. So first we will start with a warm up. Whenever you are going for a workout, always remember to warm up properly so that you will not get any injury and you will not give a rude shock to your body. So for warm up, activate all your joints. I am doing it in short, you may do it for a longer time. Stretch your neck. Now for warm up, now remember to activate all your joints. In that way you will not have injury later on. Again we will continue with our warm up. Now you can try this exercise. Or there is a lighter version, you can just do like this. So now we will start our exercise. So first we will do push-ups. Push-ups are most basic body weight exercises and we all know how to do push-ups. But still, for those who are yet to, those who are not familiar, we will do basic push-ups and I will also talk what not to do and how to make it more easier if you want to start with. So first, this is push-up position, hands under your shoulders, body straight, try to push your body forward and then legs together and go down. While you are going down, try to touch your chest with the ground, then up. Again, from other angle. Try to keep your elbows close to your body. It should not go like this because your movement, range of movement will be less. So try to keep it closer to your body. So I will tell you what not to do. What are the mistakes people do or how they cheat to make it more easier. First, your body should be straight. It should not be like this. Your hips should not go up like this. Or some people do like this. these exercises in long term, if you do it in wrong way, it can injure you. So again, we will see how to do basic push-ups. Legs together, palms facing to the front, and then so for those who want to make it little bit easier, or those who have not yet done it in the past, come on your knees, then same position. It will become a lot more easier. There are so many variations to push-ups. If you want to make it more easier, you can take support of a wall. For push-ups, these are a lot more easier. If you want to make it more harder, you can go for decline push-ups. You can use any chair, you can use your bed. So this is a very versatile exercise. You can do it so many positions and so many difficulty levels you can adjust for your comfort. Please remember, it is not important to do 50 push-ups or 100 push-ups. It's more important to do 10 push-ups but in a proper form, without compromising the quality. So don't rush into it. Do it slowly. The more slowly you do, the more challenge you will face. And also you don't do till you are exhausted. Suppose you can do 20 push-ups, so in the first rep you do only 15. You take 1 minute gap and do again 15. At least do 3 times and try for 4 to 5 times. So now we will come to our next exercise. So next exercise is squats. Squat is basically when we sit down on our legs, like this position. We call it squat. All of it. As Indians who do it, we go, wherever we are using Indian toilet, you know this position. But this is very effective exercise for your thighs, back muscles and legs. Only thing is you have to keep your form proper. So here I will show you full squat. Keep your arms to the front. Go down, up. Go down, up. Only thing you have to keep note is you should not lean forward or lean backwards. One thumb rule is like when you go down here, you should be able to look at your toes. If you are not able to see your toes, you have to come to a bit forward. Maintain your posture, maintain your balance. So there is an easier version for those who are finding it little bit difficult. Like you can use any chair or a sofa. Don't sit on the chair, just take a little bit of support. So do at least 15 to 20 in one rep. Take 30 seconds rest. Again do it. So do it 3 to 4 sets. So third exercise for today is toe touch. We will be touching our toes with alternate hands. This exercise is very effective for training your these muscles and gaining a balance. So this is how we do. Come on one leg. See, I am using a balance, so to concentrate. come back, have little pause, and go back. Alright, this might look a bit difficult, but it is not so. You just have to focus. So for making it more simple or less intensive, you can take it any small tool or chair, stand a little bit behind, then alternate. So this was our third exercise. Take 1 minute rest, and then we'll go back to fourth exercise, which we call hollow body hold. So I will show you how to do it and the progressions. This is basically to hold your body in this position. 1, relax, again. 2, relax. 3, relax. 4, relax. 5, relax. So I'll tell you how to go to this position, or whether to go or do in a more simple way. So first you lie down, and then you stretch your legs slowly, like this. Important thing to keep in mind is your back will be wholly grounded. It will not make an arch like this. It will not go like this. It should be touching to the ground. If you're finding it difficult, if you're not able to extend your legs fully, you just do like this. But try to keep your back firmly touched to the ground. You can do alternate, like you can keep your legs to the ground and just raise your hands. Or you can just extend your legs and keep your arms to the side. And then you can try to do it simultaneously. This exercise will give you strength in your core, abdomen, and will condition your body for more strenuous exercises later on. So do this 15 to 20 times, then have 30 seconds rest and do it again 3 sets. At least 4 sets you try. So this is very good exercise for your abdomen and core. And those who want to lose belly fat, this is the first exercise you should start doing. So today I have said 4 exercises. You do warm up, you do all these exercises 4 times at least, and then you do some stretching so that your body will be cooled down. So hope you like today's workout. Share your feedbacks, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to share with me. And remember, during this COVID lockdown, we are all confined to our homes. Use this time to learn some new exercises. Develop a good habit that in long term will be very beneficial to you. So with these words, I will say goodbye to all of you. Keep grinding, stay fit, stay indoors. Bye bye.